This is a real playlist on Spotify. This is not a real playlist on Spotify. This is Spotify playlist meme parodies playlist covers seen on the music streaming app Spotify. People are creating their own versions of these playlist covers, where instead of having the artist's name and photo below the words "this is," they're including a photo of a similar looking person or feature someone who is unlikely to be on Spotify at all. The template is completely customizable, and you can search for your own photos inside the editor, in addition to erase the backgrounds, add text, and change the background color. To get to the template, click the first link in the description below, and I'll meet you there. Okay, so to make your This is Spotify meme, just go to the first link in the description below, and it'll take you to our meme template here. So basically all you need to do is click Make It. And you're taken to the editor where you can just customize whatever you want to create your meme. So there are different ways that you can go about this meme. These are just like some of the funny ways, but obviously you can do whatever you want. The first way is just to add someone that you probably wouldn't see on Spotify. So like this one's funny because it's Bob the Builder, and like he definitely doesn't have music. So it's just like amusing to see him on a playlist cover. Here are some other examples. This is from Know Your Meme. They're just emulating the Spotify cover where you have like the name of the person and then the photo of them. But I'm gonna do one now that's kind of a play on words. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is just delete the stock picture that I added. And now you can start building your own. So instead of Bob the Builder, I'm gonna say this is The Weeknd. So The Weeknd actually makes music, but I'm gonna make this a play on words. So instead of his photo, instead of The Weeknd's photo, I'm gonna add like calendars, dates, like Sunday and Saturday as the photo. By the way, this is not the legit like Spotify font. The real Spotify font you have to pay for. So, and I think this one looks so accurate. I spent a while searching for this font, so I'm really proud that it looks pretty legit compared to the Spotify font. But basically it's called Poppins, and this text box should already be in that font, so don't worry about that. But if in case you like accidentally delete it or something, the font is Poppins. So now for the photo, you can either, if you already have a file that you want to use, you can click upload and drag or drop or click to search your files to upload it. Or you can click images and search for something that will source from Google Images. So I'm just gonna say like Weekend and see what comes up. Weekend calendar. Okay, so this one looks pretty legit to me. It's Sunday and Saturday, which is the weekend. So I'm gonna click that, and it opens it up right in my project. I'm gonna use the endpoints to resize it. And it looks kind of bad if it's just this white border is included in the picture. Like it definitely doesn't have the same effect as if it was a PNG or a transparent background. But luckily we can actually erase backgrounds in this editor. So just click the photo and then click erase on the side. And this one works with, so the magic wand, all you have to do is click and drag and it'll select similar areas. So as you can see, if I drag more, it selects more of it. And if I drag less, it'll select less. So just adjust how you want so it highlights the area you don't want in the picture, and then just hit delete on your keyboard. We also have this freehand erase, which is really helpful for getting these like border lines that you can see, and it just erases the pixels that are directly underneath it. All right, that looks pretty good to me. I'm just gonna hit done, and it pulls it up. So now I can just resize this to fit the box. Most of the Spotify playlists have the picture kind of going a little bit higher than the border of the colored background behind it. So yeah, that looks pretty good to me. It looks like an actual Spotify playlist. If you do want to change this orange background color, so this is an actual like template photo that you can't really change, but what you can do is add a shape, add a square, and resize it to fit the size of that orange part, and then click send backward. And now you can choose what color that is. So this is just black, but you can use any of these colors and then change the outline color too. And there you go. So you can do whatever you want with that. I really like how this looks. I'm going to click export image, and then I will be able to save my file. Awesome. So now it has been processed and will be in your workspace. To save it to your local computer, you can just click download and it'll download that. You can always go in, edit, and make a copy of it or share it to social media with these buttons. You can also copy the link and share it with others, and it'll take them to this exact page. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content creation and meme tips and tricks. If you do end up posting your Spotify playlist meme on social media, tag us at Kapwing app so we can see what you created. See you in the next video.